If you suffer from hair breakage, dandruff, and stubborn gray hair, your hair has been cutting consistently and you are tired, you do not know what to do about it, I got you. In this video, we're going to be making an hair oil that is going to do what? That is going to repair your scalp. It's going to stimulate hair growth. Trust me, you don't want to miss this video for anything. And I got something for you. We finally launched our hair growth combo. The information about it is going to be in the description box. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, okay? Our first ingredient is hemp seed. Yeah, hemp seed is useful for both the hair and the skin because it contains healthy fats. Hemp seed actually helps to deeply nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair strands, and it reduces breakage. So right now you can see I am sanitizing the dropper bottle I'm going to be using after I have washed it. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to get a stainless bowl and pour my coconut oil. Coconut oil is just the perfect oil for this. Okay, coconut oil helps to penetrate into the hair shaft and moisturize the hair, preventing protein loss and keep your hair soft, shiny, and protected from damage. After doing that, I'm going to be pouring my hemp seed into the coconut oil. I'm not just going to just do this and just leave it like that. No, you can see how it looks. The ingredients have not actually broken into each other, so for me to actually get the full dose of the ingredients and the benefits of this powerful combo, I will actually have to double boil it. Not fry it though, please double boil it, okay, under medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after doing that, you can see that the color as now is now dipping a little bit, and this double boiling method actually opened up the hemp seed nutrient to the coconut oil. Okay, so right now I'm going to sieve out my ingredients. I'm going to sieve everything out so that I can now extract our new oil. Okay, so if you've been watching up till now and you've not yet subscribed and also liked to be part of this amazing channel so that you will not miss out on our amazing bombshell videos like this, what are you waiting for? Please do it to hit the like and subscribe button and come down to the comment section and tell me thank you. Okay, so we finally extracted our oil, and look at right now our hemp seed oil is almost ready, and look at what we've got here. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I'm not going to say what you think this is. Okay, this is hemp seed. Okay, so let's not get any more naughty. Okay, all right. And yeah, do you know you could actually mix the other one into your hair butter, because that is very powerful. I'm not throwing that thing away. So you can see what our oil looks like right now. We've gotten all our maximum benefit. The last thing we're going to be adding is peppermint essential oil. Apart from the healthy scent it gives, it stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, and this can help to promote a faster hair growth while helping to reduce itchiness and dandruff. It gives a refreshing, cooling feeling after using it, and this essential oil helps to stimulate hair follicles. A lot of people use that preservation, but preservatives but you see, peppermint essential oil and coconut oil on its own, they have shelf life of 1 to 3 years. That is how the oils can last. Even the hemp seed has like 6 to 12 months, and as long as there is no water present in our mixture, there is no need for preservatives, except if you are adding water to your mixture. That is when you need preservative because of bacteria. Our ingredient does not need preservatives. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm going to be using my syringe to pour out my oil, hemp seed oil, into my dropper bottle, and voila, our oil is ready. Guys, you can see it was so easy to make. Most times you do not really need to use like 50 herbs or lots of herbs, because like they always say, too many hands for the broil. You just need to pick out key ingredients that target certain things. Okay, and voila, our oil is ready. And this is a leave-in hair growth oil, very simple and easy. So like I said in the beginning of the video, our Signorina Pretty extreme hair growth combo is already out. This product, as you can see right here displayed on the screen, I'm going to leave the picture here on the screen. We cooked this for, will I say, 8 months, and finally is ready. Trust me guys, this is the hair ingredient, this is the hair product that you have been waiting to get. Okay, you're going to be getting a hair mask that is sold for 15,000 naira, and our hair oil which is going to be going for 6,000 naira, with a dual silicone massager comb that goes for 3,500. You're going to be getting all that with a for a discounted price of 20,000 naira. And not that, it's also going to be coming with a free shower cap. Trust me guys, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. It is first come first serve before the combo discount price is over. Okay, our Air Max does a whole lot of benefits, especially helping to prevent premature graying. Trust me guys, you don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. There's going to be a link in my description box. The link takes you to the website for you to get your own Signorina Pretty hair growth combo pack. Alright, and there are other wonderful essentials you can also get from the website. Alright, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining in, and I can't wait to have you. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Bye guys.